How is a bronze sculpture made? From the original model to the final patina finish. Every piece goes through a complex process of casting, assembly, and hand finishing. You think bronze sculpture is all about casting. Real craftsmanship begins with refining the original model. Every cut affects the final texture and form. This is where the sculpture comes to life. True bronze art is shaped by hand. Before bronze is cast, the sculpture must first become a mold. Every texture and detail is carefully preserved by hand. This is one of the most important steps in the bronze sculpture process. Heated wax is poured into the mold, carefully coating every surface inside. As the mold is rotated, the wax evenly forms the shape of the sculpture. Once cooled, the wax pattern is removed by hand, capturing every detail from the original model. This is the beginning of the bronze casting process. After the wax pattern is removed from the mold, our craftsmen carefully refine it by hand, removing seam lines, correcting imperfections, restoring details, and smoothing the surface. Why is this step so important? Because the quality of the wax pattern directly determines the quality of the final bronze surface. Every detail matters. Before the sculpture is cast in bronze, the wax pattern is first coated with a layer of ceramic slurry, then covered with fine silica sand to capture every delicate detail of the sculpture. After drying, the process is repeated again and again, layer after layer, usually 7 to 8 times by hand. With each new coating, the ceramic shell becomes stronger and more durable, able to withstand the extreme heat of molten bronze. This slow and meticulous process is what protects the sculpture during the final casting stage. The ceramic shell is placed inside a kiln and fired at extremely high temperatures. As the wax inside melts away, it leaves behind a hollow cavity that precisely captures the form of the original sculpture. This is why the technique is known as lost wax casting. The shell is then fired repeatedly to strengthen its structure and eliminate any remaining moisture or impurities. Only after this process can the mold withstand the intense heat of molten bronze. Bronze is heated inside a furnace to temperatures above 1100 degrees Celsius, transforming solid metal into molten bronze. The liquid bronze is then carefully poured into the preheated ceramic shell, filling every detail of the sculpture. This is one of the most critical stages of bronze casting process, where fire, metal, and craftsmanship come together to bring the sculpture to life. After the bronze has cooled and solidified, the outer ceramic shell is carefully broken away to reveal the raw bronze sculpture inside. To remove the shell completely, craftsmen may spend hours hammering by hand, sometimes striking thousands of times, to clear every remaining fragment. The gating system and excess metal are then cut away and smoothed by hand, using grinding and metal finishing tools. Some bronze sculptures are often cast in separate sections before being assembled together by hand. During the welding stage, craftsmen carefully join the separate bronze sections into a complete sculpture. Gas welding and argon arc welding techniques are used to create strong and precise connections while preserving the sculpture's original form. Every weld is handled by hand, requiring patience, accuracy, and years of craftsmanship experience. After welding and assembly, the bronze sculpture enters the grinding and detail refinement stage. Using precision grinding and carving tools, craftsmen carefully smooth the surface, restore textures, and refine every detail by hand. Each curve, transition, and texture is adjusted with patience and precision to create a seamless final form. This is the patina process in bronze sculpture making. Using heat and chemical solutions, craftsmen carefully develop color and texture on the bronze surface by hand. This process gives the sculpture its final character, depth, and timeless appearance. No two patinas are ever exactly the same. Each finish is shaped through experience, precision, and craftsmanship. After the surface finishing process is complete, a protective coating is carefully applied to preserve the bronze sculpture for years to come. Using heat, wax, or clear protective layers, craftsmen seal the surface by hand to protect the patina from moisture, oxidation, and corrosion. Once the protection process is finished, the sculpture enters its final packaging stage, carefully prepared for transportation and delivery.